Confused about which GitHub Copilot plan is right for you? Let's clear it up. GitHub Copilot offers different plans for individuals and for organizations. For individuals, there are free, Pro and Pro Plus plan. For organizations, GitHub offers Copilot Business and Copilot Enterprise. In this video, I'll break down every Copilot plans, including cost, feature, and my recommendation, so you can choose the right plan without confusion or unnecessary cost. We'll start with Copilot for individual developers, then move into the Copilot for organizations. Let's first look Copilot free. Yes, it's actually more capable than many people expect. Copilot free costs nothing and gives you limited code completion, limited chat usage, and access to models like Cloud Haiku 4.5 and GPT 4.1. This plan is best if you are first-time Copilot user, exploring Copilot, or using it occasionally. Copilot Pro is where most individual developers land. It costs around $10 per month or $100 per year, and it's free for verified students, teachers, and maintainers of popular open source projects. With Copilot Pro, you get unlimited code completion, expanded Copilot chat, and access to premium AI models like GPT-5 Mini, Cloud Sonnet, and Gemini 2.5 Pro. Copilot Pro also includes around 300 premium requests per month. Copilot Pro Plus is designed for power users. At $39 per month or $390 per year, it's built for developers who use Copilot heavily, supporting advanced workflow, higher premium request limit, around $1,500 per month, and access to additional advanced models and tools, including GitHub Sparks. Most individual developers don't need Pro, but if Copilot is central to your daily workflow, this is top-tier individual plan. Now that we have covered individual plans, let's see how Copilot scales for organizations. Once you move beyond individual developers, personal plans stop making sense. This is where Copilot Business comes in, designed for medium to large organizations that need centralized governance and billing. Copilot Business is one product with two deployment models, which is often where confusion happens. Model 1 is most common and the most misunderstood. Copilot Business is enabled inside a GitHub organization. Cost-wise, you pay $19 per user per month for Copilot Business, plus the cost of a GitHub Enterprise user license. You might wonder, why are GitHub Enterprise license getting consumed? The answer: Enterprise licenses are consumed because the user is a member of GitHub organization, where they even can have GitHub repository access, not because of GitHub Copilot itself. In this setup, user can use both GitHub and Copilot together and gain integrated capabilities such as Copilot pull request summary and review. Next, let's look at the alternative, Dedicated Copilot, which avoids consuming GitHub Enterprise set. GitHub allows you to create a dedicated Copilot Enterprise purely for Copilot Business. No repositories, no development access, just Copilot governance. In this model, it will not consume GitHub Enterprise license. Alternatively, if you want to use existing GitHub Enterprise, you can enable Copilot at the enterprise level and allocate Copilot seat via GitHub Enterprise team, or add user directly. The key is not to assign user seats into any GitHub organizations, so GitHub Enterprise licenses are not consumed. In both this approach, you pay $19 per user per month. This setup is ideal when users rely on other DevOps tools instead of GitHub Enterprise, or when they are solo Copilot users. It's a great way to get centralized control without burning enterprise seats. Finally, Copilot Enterprise. It is the highest tier Copilot plan. It costs around $39 per user per month, require a GitHub Enterprise license, and is designed for deep enterprise scale adoption. This includes advanced features like GitHub Spark, knowledge base integration, and higher premium request limit, and many more. Except for Copilot free license, If you exceed your premium request limit, additional requests may be available on pay-per-use basis at $0.04 per request, but only when Copilot is procured directly from GitHub or Microsoft. One final point, the Copilot prices are rarely the final price for Copilot Business and Enterprise. Business should always talk with GitHub or Microsoft. Discounts of 20% or more are common depending on volume and agreement. GitHub Copilot plans aren't just about price. They are about usage and deployment. For individuals, choose based on how often you use Copilot. For organizations, understanding Copilot business deployment model can save cost and avoid unnecessary GitHub Enterprise licenses. Choose Copilot Pro or Copilot Enterprise only if you are heavily using GitHub Copilot. Pick the plan that fits how you actually work. If this video helped you to understand GitHub Copilot pricing and deployment clearly, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop your question in the comment below.